Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13315 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2020 Mazda CX-5. This installation video will also work for the 12170 Class 2 trailer hitch. Begin by removing the plastic underbody panel beneath the rear bumper, if present. There will be two fasteners you will need to remove with a flathead screwdriver. This panel will not be reinstalled. Next, you will need to lower the exhaust. We are using a spray lubricant on the rubber hangers for easy removal with a pry bar. Next, remove a wiring harness attached to the frame rails with a plastic plug on both the driver and passenger sides. Located here, remove the factory tape on the sides of the vehicle's frame rails on both the driver and passenger sides. Trim any excess seam seal for a perfect fit. You will now need to tape the included half-inch washers into position on the inside of the hitch's side plates. Now you can route the coiled end of the fish wire into the frame access hole and down and out of the rearmost mounting location. Then place a CM SP12 spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the frame. Finally, thread the half-inch carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire, then pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt into the frame, through the spacer, and route it out through the attachment point on the side of the frame. Leave the fish wire attached for now. Repeat this process on the opposite rearmost attachment point. With the help of a friend, raise the hitch into position. You will need to route the fish wires on both sides through the rearmost attachment points on the hitch. Next, thread the included M12 bolt and conical toothed washers into the foremost attachment points on both the driver and passenger side. Make sure the washer's teeth are up against the hitch and the taped washers are in place. Once the hitch is in place, carefully remove the fish wires and thread on the half-inch flange nut to hold the hitch into place. Torque all hardware to the exact amount defined in your supplied instruction sheet. Finally, reattach the removed wire harnesses using the included cable ties and fasten them to the hitch's side plates. Now you can carefully reinstall the exhaust. Congratulations, you've now successfully installed the 13315 or the 12170 trailer hitches on your 2020 Mazda CX-5. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful. Now get ready to bring it.